Hi guys, welcome to a new video. So today's video we have 4 brand new 2022 model pit bikes. So we have 2 120cc pit bikes and we have 2 140 big wheel pit bikes. So let's start unboxing them and putting them together and we'll see the difference between the big wheel and the small wheel. I was literally trying to figure out what the hell was going on until I realised that it has like a bar instead of a shock. So what this is to do with the transport, which I didn't even realise. So once I took that off, literally that mudguard came straight out. I didn't film doing the 120 as it's near enough the same thing as doing the 140. So when putting both of these together, I've noticed a fair bit of difference between the two. So let's start off with just the basic things that you can see. So like the fuel cap, for instance, this one's made out of plastic on the 120, and then on the 140, this one's a nice metal. I've got a nice metal finish to it, and you can see even the handlebar clamp, it's got Stomp on it compared to. There's no name on it, no Stomp badge, and it's just individual. The suspension is obviously going to be bigger, so the 140 has a bigger front forks compared to the smaller one. The exhaust is different, the back can is different on the 120 compared to the 140. The wheel size, so the 120 has smaller wheels, obviously because this is the big wheel. I'm not sure if you can get the 120 in a big wheel, probably not. The engine looks the same apart from, obviously, this one would have a bigger bore kit. By the looks of things, I couldn't identify anything different really, and a bigger carb. The rear shock absorber is actually different. So you can see this one, you can actually adjust. It's got an adjustable rear shock. as well as you can adjust the spring as well at the top, where this one doesn't have that full adjustment. You can adjust it at the bottom, and that is literally about it. So I decided to put fuel in, and then we can compare both exhaust systems to see if they're any different. Right guys, I've had a little ride of both of them, and to be fair, power wise is a slight bit more power from the 140, but it's not by much. So I mean, if a little kid's riding this 120, it's way more than enough. If anything, it's probably too powerful, to be fair. I'm not sure if there's a way of restricting it, but they're both great fun, to be fair. This one is a bit more of me, because even when I stand on this, my feet are just literally touching the floor. Wow. That's how short I am. Literally I'm on my tiptoes. Where on the 120, my feet are flat and I got a bit of bend in my knees. So, but to be fair, I'm quite impressed with the power from both of them, to be honest. I wasn't expecting it to be that powerful, but yeah, they're great fun, to be fair. So if you're interested in buying one of these, I deal with a company called Southern Motorcycle Centre, and they deal with 125s. They can make motocross bikes road legal. They offer delivery service, and also can get pit bikes. So if you're interested in one of these pit bikes, message Sean. I'll leave his details down below. Go check his Instagram and stuff out. He's always got new stock. All sorts of stuff comes in. So yeah, go check it out. And if you'd like to order one of these, if there's none in stock, that's not a problem. We can do that for you also. Built or not, it's up to you. So go check his Instagram out. So let's do a sound check and see what the difference is in sound. Let me know in the comments which one you think sounds better, but I think it's probably the 140. I mean, it's got a different can on it. Not sure if that makes any difference. I mean, this sounds a bit more beefier, to be fair. But yeah, let me know in the comments. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like and share the video, and we'll see you in the next video.